Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome back to my vlog. This is episode number 2 and I'm Sarah with Chic Chalking and Design. And if this is your first time here, thanks for being here. And if it's not your first time, welcome back. Thanks so much for continuing to support me. It's Friday, so it is vlog day. It is the day I'm going to give you an update. I'm going to let you know all the things that we've been up to this week, projects we've been working on, and what's going to happen in the future. And I'm going to test the waters with a little bit of different content this week, and we'll see how it goes. So be sure to leave me your comments and questions down below so that I can get back to you. I would love to hear what sort of content you would like to see covered here. So make sure to leave that in the comments down below. Coffee and chat is what we're going to dub this for the next little while. I told you last week that there would be some changes, that things are going to evolve. I'm very new to this whole YouTube experience, and I'm sort of testing the waters and figuring out what's going to work for me, both for my content and my niche, but also for my journey and for our family. This isn't just me. This is a family affair for sure. So we will definitely be doing different things each week and making it a little bit more personal and hopefully a little bit more appealing to you as well. So happy Friday. Cheers. Let's have some coffee and let's chat and figure out what I did this week and what's coming up in the future. So first and foremost, if you are curious what's on my lap, this is Belle. This is our family pet. She has been with us for 13 years now. And she is a big part of our family. She floats in and out of videos and we try and edit her as much as possible. But whenever I'm sitting on the couch, this is where she needs to be, right on my lap. So she decided she was going to join me today, and that's where we'll leave her for now. So where have we been at this week? It has been a busy week. I can't believe that 7 days have flown by already. We've had a lot on the go. Greg has been a huge help for me and has been doing a bunch of things, and I want to update you on that as well. I've crafted every day. We've been making all sorts of decor. One of the reasons I'm in the living room today is because I'm prepping for tonight's live. And if you're seeing this on Friday, make sure you come and join me over there. I'll leave the link to my Facebook group in the description box below, but I live there every day. I lived on YouTube this week, and that was amazing. It was outstanding, and I will definitely be doing that every week. I think Tuesdays will work well, so that's what we'll continue to do for consistency. But the reason I'm in the living room today is because tonight's live is all about stylizing your living room, and we're going to use all of the projects that I have crafted over the last several weeks, and we're going to transform this living room into a fully fall decored space, and I'm excited for that. So if you want to join me and you see this in time, please come and join me. If not, the replay will be available on Facebook and you can come and see it there. I've been working on lots of workshop ideas and planning those things out, and I got a couple of things that I'm going to release this weekend, so be sure to take a look at those, a kids project as well as an adult project. So should be fun. And whether you are local to me or not, you can participate in these workshops. I deliver them both both in person and via Zoom. So I'd be happy to connect you to a workshop as well. Definitely working on the retreat project. I'm actually headed to the site today to do a walkthrough and do some videos, so stay tuned for that. I'm sure I'll drop some in here so you can see where we're at. That retreat is actually happening October the 22nd to the 24th. We have 2 spaces left. So it is going to be a fantastic group of ladies. So if you are local to us, it's happening just northeast of Kingston, Ontario. So I do have 2 spaces. If you'd like more information, just drop it in the comments or send me an email and I will get you the information. I'd love to meet you and have you join us on this retreat. It's going to be fabulous. The first of many, I'm sure. Also spent a fair bit of time this week sourcing some lumber. We really want to be mindful of where our lumber is coming from and repurposing lumber if we can. So we were able to find some, not only here in our space, in our yard, but also from another person locally who was they had to cut down a tree for whatever reasons, and they needed to get rid of it. And so we were happy to take it off of their hands. So I will insert some pictures here. It was an interesting go. Greg cut them for me, which was fabulous. And then we dried them in a very interesting way. So check out the photos here. I have been rapidly working on the craft room organization, which is an entire video of itself. Organizing your craft space so that it is not only functional but beautiful is a bit of a challenge, especially when you're working with a small space. And so that is exactly my dilemma, and I have been working on it hard this week. I did purchase a new item from IKEA, which I'm going to do a full review on and show you. Here's a sneak peek for just a little clip. And lastly, the thing that I did was of interest anyway, was I spent a bunch of time at Michael's this week. It is the only craft supplier locally where I can actually go into the store and look and see and touch and feel, all of those things. And that's important to me. I'm a visual person. So I spent some time there. One of the projects that actually this week's project hopefully will be uploaded tomorrow, Saturday. And I wanted to do some research on some supplies that were available there. So here's a little clip of that. One of the things that I do each and every week is I visit my local thrift stores, and not only for to see what kind of deals I can find and what kind of things I can repurpose and craft into things, but also for inspiration. So I did some video this week, and I will insert a little clip here, but I think I'm actually going to do its own whole separate video on the thrift store and all of the things that you can find there and can recreate. One of my most successful projects this week, and the one that everyone was so excited about, was a upcycled sweater project, which was super fun. I will link that in the description so you can go back and check that out. The project turned out amazing, and you can totally do that with just a few supplies. You can totally make one of those yourself. So one of the spots I always stop and check is if they have any material or any tablecloths or any napkins, because those can definitely be repurposed. Now here's where we're going to go off the rails a little bit. I have been thinking about this vlog and my channel and my brand, and I've been working a lot on my brand this week, and I think that I am going to dabble a little bit in sharing some other content. I feel very called to share about my story, my health journey this week, and maybe that's why it's been on my heart and on my mind, but this week it marks the 2-year anniversary of the start of my health journey. 2 years ago, Wednesday, I received some devastating health news, a diagnosis, and it really kickstarted a journey for me. And I've been asked a lot to share, how I navigated that journey and what things were successful for me, what things were not. And so I'm going to dabble a little bit here, and I'm going to share some of that content and some of that journey. And I would love for you to give me some feedback. If that's something that you want to hear more of or see more of, then I would love to share with you. I live a ketogenic lifestyle, and I have essentially cured my type 2 diabetes and have lost over 100 pounds and maintained that for 2 years. And I have a lot of knowledge. I've learned a lot of things. I've learned what to do, but I've also learned what not to do. And I feel really called to share that information. And I think that this might be part of this platform. We'll see where it goes. Maybe I'll have to start a separate channel for it. But I'd really like to keep it all in one place. And especially with the vlogs, making this more of a lifestyle vlog of what it is we're doing, what are the things that we're doing as a family. Let me see. Nice. Well done. So not only our crafting business, but also a lifestyle vlog, and what are the things that we do as a family. I think it's a lot of fun. I know that we like to watch those types of that type of content on YouTube, and I think that other people want to connect with us a little bit more. So we're gonna dabble, and please leave me your feedback. I want to know. Leave it in the comments. Always be kind. Remember to lead with kindness, but definitely share your comments in the comment section, and I will get back to you. Section of our vlog will always be, what are we working on in the week to come, or the weeks to come, because I can't always accomplish everything in a week, and I always have a really long to-do list that sometimes is way too unrealistic. So on my list this week is definitely this craft retreat. I am finalizing the craft projects and the other recreational type activities that we're going to be doing, and I need to get that all finalized and out to the participants so that they can make their selections. I'm planning a super fun surprise for those people, and I have to get those, I'm not going to give any details, but I do have to get all of that finalized and ordered so that I have it here on time. I'm working on a bit of a style guide too. I'm not sure what direction that's going to come in, whether it's going to be a print piece or whether it's going to be a video piece. I'm not sure, but I am going to work on a little bit of a style guide as well. And I'm finalizing the workshop calendar for October, November, and December. Now that's a lofty goal because I have a hard time planning that far in advance, but I really need to get my act together and finish those 3 months of workshops so that we can find locations, because with COVID right now, finding locations is getting to be a bit challenging. And I also need to get supplies ordered. So I am definitely working on that. And lastly, I'm just continuing to work on my branding, which is an ongoing process. I am looking for help. So if you are somebody who has some knowledge in web design or graphic design or branding or marketing, please reach out to me. I would appreciate any help that I can get at this point. I really do want to get that consistent, cohesive, professional look. So I definitely will appreciate any help. So reach out in the comments. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed this different style. Please leave me your comments and let me know. I know I've said that several times throughout this vlog, but your feedback is really important to me. I really do want to hear what you have to say. So please leave that down below. Follow along. Make sure you're following on Facebook and on Instagram. I will leave those details in the description of this video so you can follow. I post in my stories every single day. So if you want to know what we're doing or what we're up to in the moment, you definitely want to follow over there. Thank you so much for being here and for hanging out with me. I tried to keep this as short as possible this week. We're also testing to see what video length is most appealing for people. So thanks for being here. I hope you have a fabulous weekend and a fabulous week ahead. I will see you next Friday with an update vlog, vlog number 3 coming at ya. Anyway, take care, stay safe, and be well. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so that you hear a notification and when I go live, and like and share wherever possible. We appreciate all of you and everything you're doing to help us build this up. So take care. Happy Friday. We'll see you in the next one.